Once upon a time, Gautama Buddha was on a journey with his disciples. While walking on the journey, Buddha felt thirsty. So he asked one of his disciples to go and fetch me drinking water. Now, when that disciple looked around, no source of water was found anywhere. But when he tried more, he found a source of water on the way. There he saw that some people are washing clothes in the source of that water. Then suddenly a bullock cart from there passed over the source of that water. In such a situation, all the water there became dirty and the water became muddy. Then he thought that how can he take that dirty water and muddy water for Buddha? So he went back empty handed and went to Gautama Buddha. He told everything to Buddha. Buddha said that, okay, don't worry. We will sit here and relax in the shade of this big tree. After some time, Gautama Buddha asked the same disciple to bring water again. Now, that disciple went back to the same water source. Going there, he saw that the water was absolutely clean and was potable. Now he took that water for the Buddha. He gave that water to the Gautama Buddha. Buddha told everyone that the way mud or the dust spread in the water, but after leaving it for a while, all his mud or dirt sat down and the water cleared back. In the same way, our brain is also. When our brain is disturbed, then give it time and calm it down. Our brain will also be calm after a short time. No decision should be taken with a restless mind. All we have to do is to keep our brain calm for a while so that we can make good decisions. Moral of the story: decisions taken from a restless mind are always wrong. We should always make a decision with a calm mind, which reduce the chances of making mistakes.